You've got a thing about being lame. You think you'll show us all your handicap is great. You've got to think about being lost. You think without concern you'll find yourself, and you'll never be forgotten. Your family never wanted this one. With all of her thoughts, she's trailing far behind. She's feeling incomplete. She has the will to win. Listening, I live inside your room, and you punish me as though I punish you. Dumb before it's done, I am a saint. Will you tell me now I never could relate to how you've been forgotten? Your family never wanted this one with all of her thoughts. But I wanna know, was this deprivation for money or for love? This is the last time you